In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Retool to MySQL. By the end, you'll have a reliable connection that lets your Retool apps query and update your MySQL database securely and efficiently. Start by logging in to your Retool workspace. Make sure you're in the correct organization or environment where you want this connection to live, and that your account has permission to create resources. If you're not sure, check with your workspace admin before proceeding. From the Retool dashboard, navigate to Resources. This is the hub where you manage all external connections, databases, APIs, and more. So it's the right place to set up MySQL. Next, click Create New, then choose Resource. Retool will present a catalog of resource types you can connect to. From that list, select MySQL as the resource type. Choosing MySQL tells Retool to use the appropriate driver and options for MySQL-compatible databases. You'll now see the MySQL resource form where you enter the connection settings. Begin with a clear, descriptive name for the resource so teammates can identify it later. Then provide the host, which is the server address of your database. This could be a domain or an IP. The port is typically 3306 unless your database uses a custom port. Enter the database name Retool should connect to. Add the username and password for a database user with the access you need. For security, avoid using a superuser. A dedicated, least privileged account is best practice. If your database requires SSL, enable it and select the correct mode based on your host's requirements. When working with certificates, ensure they match what your provider or DBA has issued. If your MySQL instance sits behind a firewall or VPC, confirm that your Retool deployment can reach it. This often involves allowing outbound access from Retool's IPs or configuring your network appropriately. As you fill in these fields, double-check the host, port, and database name spelling, and confirm the user can connect from your Retool environment. Keep your credentials secure and never share them in screenshots or recordings. If your team manages secrets centrally, align the values here with those managed sources for consistency across environments. Once everything looks correct and the details are validated, your MySQL resource is ready inside Retool for use in queries and apps. That's the full flow. Log in, open resources, create a new resource, choose MySQL, and complete the connection settings. You're now set to build robust, data-driven interfaces backed by your MySQL database.